Next thing is, you probably want to invest in a strategy. And I know for new startups and entrepreneurs, the budget, opening a budget for this, or having a budget for this can be a little bit of a struggle, which is okay. But if you were to invest in anything for starters, in social media, it is a strategy you should focus on. Why? This is your fast pass. This is like you being on the fast lane while others are on the slow lane. Without that, you're in the slow lane and you'll be in there for a minute. You'll be in there for a while, because the more you know earlier, the faster you can go. So the strategy will let you know where you should be, what you should be doing, what platforms you should be on, what you should be looking out for, and that just puts you leaps and bounds ahead. The next thing is a post. Just start posting. One of the most important, if not the most important things in social media is consistency. So there's no time to launch or stop or this. It's total marathon when it comes to this. So you start posting today and it'll work itself out. The more you post, the more your community, as they start to interact with you, will sort of kind of guide you in which ways I should say to go. The final one, which is very important too, is be open-minded. I see a lot of instances where there's opportunity where closed-mindedness can actually expand to open-mindedness, which leads to a whole lot. Where your social pages is going to take you, or where they're going to take you, I should say, you might not know. You might start saying, I'm doing this, and based on the community that you're drawing and stuff, they want you to do this, and you not yielding to that, then means you're not yielding to your customers. So be open-minded. It's going to take you places you've not thought of right now. It's going to take you places you've not thought of right now. But at the same time, that's the joy in it, because those places are going to expand your horizon. Those places are going to expand your business. Those places are going to make you connect more with people. So as a new entrepreneur, those are the few things that I would say, really think about doing, because that will help you. That will take you pretty far. And knowing fully well that one of your best opportunities is through social media, you're in one of the best times right now to take advantage of that. But it is work. It is work. Just as you do a 9-to-5 job for others when you're working, in this instance, when you're going to do it for yourself, you're going to have to dedicate good marketing time, and you'll see the results. But that's my advice for a young entrepreneur, new entrepreneurs, I should say, looking to start marketing through social media.